up, everybody? This is the Big Michael Bay vlog, and I just want to let everybody know that if you don't like my movies, you can suck my nuts. Oh yeah, Chris. Oh, God, I just made a mess of myself. Fake Shia, bring me a towel. Need to clean up.
Fake Michael Bay!
Hey Christina, hey everybody else, this is Fake Michael Bay. Christina, I came across this video on feminism and I had to respond. Usually I watch your videos daily to do my thing, servicing myself. I turn the sound off typically because your voice sort of makes it hard for me to concentrate. But in this particular video I decided I would listen. And Fake Michael Bay was impressed.
Fake Michael Bay!
As a famous director in Hollywood, I can tell you that women do provide a valuable service in the workplace. They do good when it comes to cleaning, cooking, and getting Fake Michael Bay his coffee. But on the other hand, let me tell you, they suck as directors. Notice that no women win Oscars in directing. It's because, like you said, they're not willing to take risks. I mean, Fake Michael Bay likes to use practical explosions in his special effects. No woman would do that. Look at Megan Fox, she complained about it. She was scared. I mean, only pussies are scared.
Fake Michael Bay!
Megan Fox, however, did look all hot on that motorcycle when I sort of fucked her with the camera. And no man could have pulled that one off. I'll tell you what, only a woman could pull that one off. As for your comments about the words cunt and dick, let me tell you, Fake Michael Bay likes being thought of as one big dick. When you look at me, I want you to think big dick, because that's what I'm packing.
Fake Michael Bay!
As for the word cunt, there's nothing more in this world besides getting his nads sucked that Fake Michael Bay likes more than pussy. So as far as Fake Michael Bay is concerned, when he looks at a woman and he calls her cunt, it's a word of endearment. I mean, that just means that I love you. I'm not really sure why bitches get so upset by the word cunt. Please explain.
Fake Michael Bay!
So after watching this post, Christina, I went back and watched a few more of yours with the sound on. And let me tell you, some are very impressive, some not so much. I just wanted you to tell the guy that wrote all your material that he's doing a fine job. And then maybe one day he could write some stuff for Fake Michael Bay. You could also tell him to keep the videos around 2.5 minutes, because that's about as long as Fake Michael Bay can last when doing his thing. And for all you feminists out there that don't like what Fake Michael Bay has to say, well, you can do what women do best. You can suck my nads. Fake Bay out.
Fake Michael Bay!